So easy.
On the move.
Port 2, Q136-18, on the move. Did a crew change, now leaving.
BC dispatch, Jackson Lancer.
We got just train insanity, like you described to him. And I got his mom right there, that's okay though. And she's awesome. There you go, dude. I can't believe we call him again. Sweet, I was hoping for that.
Clear High Rock.
The empties?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
18. Eastbound number 2 track.
Hey, how you doing?
How are you?
Alright.
My God, you got a full load today.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah, I got the ladies man, Tony, and I got Matt the bump. No, I couldn't.
He's not the ladies' man, just you?
I am.
Okay.
Yeah, he's the main ladies man.
Gotcha. And we got two really good trains. Timed out really well at Winter Rocks, and then got some to eat, and then came over here and Mitchell drove.
Oh man, I gotta get off the road then.
Huh? It got very blurry out here. We need to watch out for the Southern Pacific one that Jody was talking about.
Yeah. Yeah, Mrs. Mom is cool. You're fine, Dakota.
Now, how far back is that Southern Pacific car?
Halfway through.
Dakota. After that,
What?
when those cars come through, if you want, get in the truck, get warm.
Those are all 33-inch wheels.
Sure.
What is it, Tony?
All the wheels on the high-sided well cars are 33-inch.
Ah.
Unlike if you notice on the 40, on the low-sided and the 53 foots, they're all 38-inch.
Oh.
They're 38-inch on the joints and 33 on the ends.
Yeah. Dakota, move to the right.
I guess she can come up here in a second.
We got a big song on the phone.
What?
You ain't by shot, you sold him right in the camera.
How long you
Oh.
Okay. 7.1. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 216. End of train.
216 axles for this westbound.
Westbound track 1.
Clear East Brunswick.
Yep, for the westbound.
Yep, clear BN. There it is, Southern Pacific. Patched.
What is it, TTX?
Yeah, the yellow TTX. Those are, see, it's an SP. SP well car.
Cool.
Okay, so the first one had actual SP on it, right?
So did the last one.
Bones, we have for 29, sounds like. Hey, a reefer units. Good idea, get in the truck.
Yep, I hear you on that one.
Yeah, I don't want you guys sick though. You know.
I get sick, I get sick. Simple as that.
Okay. E742, I think you said?
B842.
Oh, B842. That's what I have in mind. Sometimes like.
CSX BB dispatch Jack Floor.
Hey, BB, it's the B842 on your rebound radio.
842, over.
Our plan is to take this train to Melville, like the people get from Arbitrary to Western Maryland, one direction. And we're also bringing the power back to
Lead engine locations, cabin, over.
location B874.0, AC Butler on a copy, reader 508, CSX B842 on your rebound radio.
Are you ready to copy, over?
Yes, sir, ready to copy. Melville, like the people get from
C181770. That's 81770. Date is 2/18/19.
Wow.
BA74.0. CDD.
Is that the cool?
84218 CSX
Go to Southern going Bedford.
Triple line 1A.
Close down. The engine coming back. Heel.
One Alpha operator main track, both directions between the EAS Arbitrary main track,
Going to Bedford.
west. Stone Yard
Leave
on
it
the main
there.
track.
The engine's coming back.
Dispatcher
Heel.
ASH, over.
If I hook quickly. If I understand quickly.
Nah, but it's railroad lingo. Did we ever understand?
You know what? I'm still learning about it.
Roger that, each one number 81770, today's date is 0
Yeah.
June
GN.
18.
The back end, yeah. Yep.
And is coming up real short.
74.0,
And it goes mid.
18, engine CSX 508, called by employee AC Butler. Circle 1A, operator on main
I was
track,
making
both
this. He's a good
directions,
kid.
between EAS Harbor
Yeah, check out Judge Training Stanley. Like to subscribe to his channel.
Track. Over.
Alright, 81.
Yeah, here she comes.
770 Canada.
You guys are westbound, though.
1645. It's 1645 AFH, over.
It's a rock runner.
Roger that, okay and effective 1645 ASH.
That is correct. Alright, let me know when you're ready to come back out, over.
Roger that, we'll let you know. Thank you very much, and PA42 is out.
Thank you, BB dispatch Jack's out.
Yeah, it is a rock runner.
They're going to Millville.
By the way, 960. Going west out of 1 and 136 east on 2. Yeah, he's slowing down.
I think he's stopping at BN.
Did he that way? Is he getting a helmet or something?
Yeah, I think he is.
Oh, he's that big?
Or heavy. He's that heavy.
Yeah, he'll stall in Barnesville.
I mean, he's almost 10,000 feet.
Yeah.
Just shy. 9112.
1,000 feet shy of 10,000 feet. And just shy of 10,000 tons.
Hell, I don't mind.